The veneer support above openings thumb rule is that masonry veneer must be supported continuously across openings to prevent cracking and unintended load transfer. For wall assemblies, this means installing either continuous lintels or shelf angles that bear onto the structural backup wall so the veneer loads bypass the framed opening below. Use flashings that extend from the back of the veneer over the lintel or shelf angle and down into the drainage plane to direct water out at the head of the opening. Maintain a 1/2 inch gap between the veneer and the framed opening and cover that gap with flexible flashing so differential movement does not crack the veneer or the trim. If the gap is larger than 1/2 inch, use approved compressible filler before flashing. Place masonry ties at the prescribed spacing and at locations above and below the opening so the veneer remains tied to the structure while the lintel carries vertical loads. Follow local code or manufacturer spacing for ties, typically measured vertically and horizontally. When using shelf angles, make sure the shelf angle bearing is continuous onto the structural wall, not just the framing, and that fasteners are sized and spaced to carry the vertical reactions that the veneer will produce. For long openings, use intermediate supports or multiple lintels with overlapping flashing so the veneer is never left unsupported for a distance greater than allowed by the thumb rule, and so crack-inducing bending is avoided. 3 common issues are relying on the trim or window head to carry the veneer load, which causes cracking because those elements are not designed for continuous bearing, so install a proper lintel or shelf angle bearing on structure and provide through flashing. A second issue is omitting the 1/2 inch clearance and flashing at the frame, which leads to trapped moisture and movement stress, so cut and maintain that gap, back it with compressible filler if needed, and apply continuous flashing into the drainage plane. A third issue is sparse or improperly located masonry ties, which allows out of plane movement and crack development, so place ties at required intervals and ensure they are correctly embedded in the mortar or attached to backup per code or manufacturer instructions. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project guidance related to veneer support above openings thumb rule so they can discuss details before hiring. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, share photos of assemblies, and ask practical installation questions to reach clearer decisions.